Hi, welcome back to the icon tutorial. This time, I'm going to create a funnel icon for UI. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. So let's import the sketch by pressing Ctrl+I. Don't forget to scale down the sketch. And let's start with the Bezier tools. Then we duplicate this object and select vertical mirroring. Select the endpoints of the nodes and merge them. Now, let's adjust all the lines so they're more proportional. Now, let's adjust all the lines so they're more proportional. Now, for the back element, let's add a color fill. Go to the Path tab and select Stroke to Path. Then select both of them. Go to the Path tab and select Union. And for these two lines, we'll create a path and combine them. Finally, select both objects, go to the Path tab, and select Difference. And there you have it. And thank you for watching.